So here it is. I cleaned everything up, and today is yard sale day. Not a terribly big yard sale, but we got a lot of things. We got a lawnmower, as you saw in the previous episodes. Cleaned up these TVs. Cabinet TV, I've decided, even though it doesn't really work, if anyone will take it, I'll just sell it. And I decided 30 bucks, but we could probably talk it down. Here we got the little TVs for 15 each, and then the chairs, which I also got off the side of the road. Cleaned them up. They're very good chairs. 6 bucks. So over here, I'm not doing this alone. KE0WPC is here helping me. This is his little area. Got a bunch of knickknacks and doodads. We're advertising this as an electronics garage sale because it's kind of a majority of what's here. Here's 2 of my computers I'm getting rid of. This one is just like totally empty. There's like nothing in here. And then this one, this is the potato PC. I've kind of decided I haven't done anything with it. Here's the monitors and the DVD players, and this one down here we actually got in the next town over. Aurora, South Dakota had a trash week last week, so grabbed the DVD player. And here's some other little things that I'm trying to get rid of. The $1 junk laptop. Got some enterprise servers that I agreed to take a while back and then realized I didn't need them, so I'm selling those. Oh, and then the bicycles. We'll start at the front. These 3 actually work fine. These are the ones I either repaired or I already had that I'm trying to get rid of. And they're going for kind of more expensive. And then these other ones are the ones I didn't have time or the parts to finish. So I'm selling them for 10 bucks each. And then these ones back here for $5. Like they're missing significant parts and stuff. Anyone who just wants these parts. So far we've had 3 customers. Sales started 28 minutes ago, although a few people showed up before 10 o'clock when we were actually going to start. And the first guy bought $16 worth of stuff. He bought a green bicycle, which was back here. He bought a bunch of PC games, which were sitting here, and they're gone now. See what else. And then he bought the 2 AM/FM radios, which of course were sitting here, but I can't show them now, they're gone. And then the other 2 customers didn't buy anything. But so far it's going pretty good. Made 16 bucks, and it's still early in the morning, so we'll see how that goes.